क्यों जान पर बनाई है, बिगड़ा है अगर उसकी तो ये आदत है कि हवा उससे लड़े। Begum Hazrat Mahal, the warrior queen of Awadh, who one of the few women to challenge the British during the revolt of 1857. These lines are dedicated to her from my side. Bold and tenacious, Begum Hazrat Mahal has marked her place in history as the only major leader of the First Indian War of Independence in 1857 to never surrender to the British, opting instead to continue resisting even during her years in the exile in Nepal. A poor but moon-faced girl who became a court scene, the favorite of the Nawab, who made a court scene his mistress, the Begum who refused to give up even after everyone had the undefeated, undaunted spirit. This and so much more was all true. She was born on an unknown date and named Muhammadi Khanum. She was made into a dancing girl by her parents, who then sold her to the royal harem of the ruler of Awadh. She began her life there as a Khawasin, which is maid. She was soon promoted to a Peri from a Khawasin. Pari meant a group of women, the idea of which was introduced by the Nawab himself, where women from economically disadvantaged groups were trained and educated with different art and performance skills. To please the prince or the Nawab, they were also considered to be the temporary wives of the Nawab. She was titled with Mehak Peri by the Nawab. She was one of his concubines. The Nawab named her Iftikharun Nisa, and she became the second wife of Wajid Ali Shah. As soon as she gave birth to their son, the Prince of Awadh, Birjis Kadar, she was titled Begum Hazrat Mahal, also known as the Royal Queen, the name with which she would become known to history. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was exiled from his throne and was sent to Calcutta with a part of his family in March 1856. Begum Hazrat Mahal and other concubines were left behind in Lucknow. Begum Hazrat Mahal took the charge of Awadh and their 12-year-old son. As a Begum from an enormous royal family, she broke the stereotype of her gender performances and revolted against the British East India Company in the Great Mutiny of 1857. Begum Hazrat Mahal fought the British for 2 years. It took the British 9 months to gain control over Lucknow. The Begum continued her fight for a year after this. She worked with the Maratha rebellion leader Nana Sahib for some time and attacked the British army at Shahjahanpur in collaboration with Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad. She was ultimately forced to leave the country and sought asylum in Nepal. The king of Nepal denied her any official protection but allowed her to stay there all the same. Begum Hazrat Mahal's tomb is located in central part of Kathmandu near Jama Masjid, Ghantaghar, and looked after by the Jama Masjid Central Committee without any assistance from the Government of India. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.